Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of CarSmart TV. I'm going to show you what comes with the Bolt Energy Lithium Pro Kit. This is going to be your new port. Where your charger port is, you'll be taking all that out of the way. You'll put this in its place, and then you're just going to plug up your extension cord to this heavy duty solenoid. It's pretty too. Check that solenoid out. You'll be replacing the old one with this one. 48 to 12 volt converter. If you're running any kind of accessories, you will need this. It does come with the necessary hardwire or wiring harness to be able to plug in directly to your reducer here. It'll come with all the necessary cables you need. This is the extension cord that they provide for you to use with the golf cart when you get it all installed. This is what you'll plug in to charge it up with. Battery strap. Okay, this is your universal installation bracket. This is what will be holding the new battery inside the golf cart. It comes with all your hardware too. This is your state of charge meter, and most likely what they'll classify as like battery management system. And this will be your new charger. This is designed to possibly be on board as well. That's exactly how we're probably going to put it together, as on board for the customer, so he doesn't ever have to lift the seat. Alright. Gonna have your little packet of stuff here, and they give you what you need to get it installed. Get your cables to it, zip ties, some connections here. So there you have it. There's the Bolt Energy Pro Kit. We're going to link this in the description so you can pick you one up if you're interested in doing lithium swap over. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the video that's coming out where we install the Bolt Energy Lithium Pro Kit. God bless you all.